It's past midnight here, and these passengers are getting ready for a long journey. It's the first direct flight from Guangzhou to London since March 2020, and one of 9 international routes the airline has reopened this year. Several other domestic carriers have also been given the green light to resume international flights. It's a sign of relief not just for the airlines, but for their support network as well. Gameco is the largest maintenance operation in South China and has seen part of its income slashed since the pandemic.
If we work on the terminal, our business is paid by flight hour. So if the aircraft is flying, we make money. If the aircraft is on the ground, we have to work on it. You have to protect it. You have to do some regular maintenance. That means we have more work, but we have less income.
China's so-called circuit breaker mechanism remains in place. International flights are suspended if they import a certain number of COVID cases, although the length of suspension has been reduced. For the last 2 years, Chinese airlines could only fly once a week to another country, while foreign airlines could operate just 1 flight per week to China. Measures to stop COVID-19 have grounded the industry to a halt. Last year, Chinese mainland carriers reported a collective $10 billion in losses. And it'll take some time to recoup those losses as fuel prices surge and foreign travelers weigh their options. International airlines are holding off flying to China, fearing impacts of a snap closure. Meanwhile, Chinese airlines are worried about a lack of ground support at European airports.
I know that the whole infrastructure was damaged also, internationally. So the airports or a lot of support companies, luggage handlers, so they have reduced the staff. And now it's hard for them to get the stuff back. And London has a special problem for Brexit. And before they had a lot of workers from the EU. These people don't have a permission to work in Britain anymore. They see also inflation coming. They fight for more pay. So you also have strikes going on. The whole system is right now struggling.
Companies like Gameco have offset some losses thanks to a strong demand for air cargo deliveries. They have expanded into the world's largest passenger-to-freighter conversion center for Boeing aircrafts. As this freshly converted, mask-wearing plane so aptly demonstrates, air cargo should help the industry through a turbulent recovery.